Meaning of good faith.
Good faith.
Good faith.
Good faith.
Good faith. Good faith refers to the concept of honesty, sincerity, and fairness in one's dealings with others. It is the underlying principle that governs many legal and business transactions. Acting in good faith means that a person believes their actions are morally and ethically correct, and they have no intentions of deceiving or misleading another party. This can apply to contracts, negotiations, and any other situation where trust is essential. Good faith acts as a safeguard against fraudulent behavior and promotes transparency and mutual understanding between parties.